Hey, this is going to be a video about the Mini Countryman SE All4 and its different drive modes. And the reason I'm making it is because, well, I appreciate some viewers out there won't be into the whole, different sounds of a car thing. But if that is you, and you miss the sound of gurgles and, rums, maybe this might be your next car. I don't know. It's just, I've actually found it fun. And I'm surprised I've kept it turned on all week. That is to say, the artificial sounds in the car. Now, I think I'm correct in saying that this was actually done, made by, thought of, whatever you want to call it, by Hans Zimmer. Yes, the same musical composer that we all love from Christopher Nolan sort of movies, right? And so in the car settings, you can just go into the drive sort of stuff. So we go to vehicle, and you see here mini sounds, so that needs to be turned on so you can actually hear the artificial sounds I'm about to demonstrate in this car. And then we've got all these different driving modes. So core's where it always starts at, and every time you get in the car, it will be here, okay? You can also go to Go-Kart and lots of different ones, and we'll go through all of them, and we'll finish off with Go-Kart. So first one is trail. Nice, okay. And so what we've got here is a compass, and also the angle of the car, both tilt and also that way. Roll, tilt. There we go, Chris. We got it in the end. And so the sounds of the actual artificial sounds of the car will change as I change this mode. So let's go. In my opinion, that sounds exactly like all the other sounds I've heard. Put it into brake mode, B mode. Gotta watch my speed along here, it's only 40. You hear that little gurgle? Ready? Yeah, it's kind of fun. And if I was to brake heavily, just a little bit of ooh. Okay, so that was trail. Not bad, didn't use that too much. Balance is unique. Oh, it's like we've entered a forest. The display now has only got my speed and the very basic information on it. And as you can see, the roof shade is closed. I think it's to try and create a calming, relaxing environment. And listen to the engine sounds now, or motor sounds, you know what I mean. It's like I've got Hans Zimmer in here, gently caressing one of his synthesizers. Very subtle. I hear a little bit of a bird or something there. Wait, let's do that again. Yeah, I think so. Let's look at a little shrill noise. I'm not very sure. Okay. I'm going to turn around because this is a great area to do this demonstration in, because they're doing all the works right now for the Grand Prix, and so it's very quiet and I'm not annoying anybody. All right, let's change driving experiences and we'll go to timeless. It's kind of like an intro to a show, right? A little stinger there. Do a Yui. All right, now. Bit meatier, chunkier. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah, okay. It's not bad. It's not bad. I think, the old retro dial here with that creamy color background. Big speedometer so everyone in the car can see how naughty you might be. And right now, I'm not being naughty. Look, 29 out of 40 k's per hour. Good job, Chris. So that was timeless. Let's get into vivid. Okay, all right. Oh, barely anything there. No, I'm going to double check the sounds are still on. So let's just go back to home. to my apps, I'll pull in, because I've got a motorbike rider behind me. And we'll just go recently used, it's the easier way to get to it. Drive settings. Yeah, mini sounds are still on. Okay. Let's do it again. Oh, not very much there. I didn't notice that before. That's embarrassing. Okay, all right, good to know. Let's do the next drive mode. Personal. Now this one's cool that you can actually set your own background picture here. I haven't done that, but you could. Yeah, maybe pictures of your kids. That'd be cute. All right, and then sound wise, typical sound. Typical. Yeah, typical sound. All right, enough of that. Let's go green. Now this is a cool mode. I've actually driven this mode more often than I would in any electric car. Like I normally don't have chill mode or slow mode on, and whatever you want to call it in your car. I prefer normal. But this one is excellent. That it's showing you how efficiently you are driving. So a little birdie is flapping its wings saying, "You're great, you're doing a good job, nice, keep it up." And if I was to give it a bit too much juice, so high consumption, naughty, don't do that. Yes, we want efficient driving. And again, the sounds, not much sound there at all. Yeah, very subtle. Nothing much. Okay. Getting to cores, it's stock standard. It's well balanced mode. Where was I? My camera stopped. So core. Here's a little gurgle again. If you can hear that, I'll just be quiet and let you hear it. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Bloop, bloop, bloop. It's like it's filling up a glass or something with water. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, we're at Albert Park. Let's pretend we're doing a race up to 40 km per hour. I love that. It's just fun. All right, there's my lane keep assist saying, "Hey, you've gone over the line without indicating." It's like, yeah, I had to. The spotlight's there. All right, let's move over, get out of the way of this car who wants to speed. And it's 40, and there's always speed cameras around here, so I would never ever speed in this area. And here we go. Brake mode on. Way more pronounced, and also you hear the little shutters at the end. Stereo too. It actually does left, right, left, right. I'll get the microphone on there. Hang on. Ready? Okay. So, yeah, that was a demonstration. Hopefully it was quick, I don't know, of the different drive modes of the Mini Countryman All4 SE. I didn't say the correct, but everything was in there, just not the correct way around. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have, please do subscribe. I cover everything electric, particularly electric cars, and do that from an Aussie perspective. If you want to do super thanks or Ko-fi support, check out the stuff below, and otherwise, I'll see you real soon.